Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix website appear on Google. First, ensure your site is visible to search engines by enabling indexing in your Wix dashboard. Then, focus on optimizing your meta tags, like titles and descriptions, for each page. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally into your content. Finally, make sure your site is mobile-friendly and loads quickly, as these factors significantly impact search engine ranking. Crafting compelling content is crucial for Google visibility. Regularly publish original, valuable content that truly resonates with your target audience. Dedicate time to researching and selecting the most effective keywords for your industry. Don't forget to include long-tail keywords, which are often less competitive and can drive highly qualified traffic. Organize your content with clear headings to improve user experience and search engine understanding. Technical aspects play a vital role in how Google understands your Wix site. Begin by submitting your sitemap to Google Search Console. This helps Google discover all your pages. Ensure your website has a clear, logical navigation structure, making it easy for both users and search engines to explore. Use descriptive URLs for each page, and strategically implement internal links to connect related content, boosting overall site authority. Beyond your website, promoting your Wix site is essential for Google ranking. Focus on acquiring high-quality backlinks from reputable websites, as these act as votes of confidence. Share your valuable content across social media platforms to expand your reach and drive traffic. Engage with your audience to build a loyal community. If applicable, implement local SEO tactics to attract customers in your specific geographic region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.